Hey everyone. So I started that activity to kind of show you how you can add some screens to a Desmos activity, and I'm trying to figure out like where do I go when I go back into it? How do I go back and find those activities that I created or that I edited or that I modified? And so typically, if it's something that you've edited or that you've modified, it is under your activities, which is over here on the left-hand side, and typically it would be found in the custom. And so when I click on custom, these are the things I've been messing with this week. And I believe what we used the other day was a sample test. So I'm going to click on the sample test, and these are the screens I placed in. So just to review, where I can change this function if I want to be anything, and the kids can actually plot the points on that graph, and they can then maybe draw it in. And so using, oh my gosh, that's freaking terrible. Using an iPad would be super easy. And then there's also the opportunity for a multiple choice question. So this answer and this answer. And every time I would go back to that question, those answer choices have been shuffled. So how do I go back and find it? So up here in the upper right hand corner where these three dots are located, if I click on that, since this is your activity, you can just edit this activity straight up. Don't copy and edit, but if you find another activity that you like, you want to copy and edit. So I'm going to click on the edit the activity. And so this video is good enough lengthwise. It showed you how to get to the activity. I'm going to stop this video and I'll start another one up, and that'll add a couple other slides.